All right, so before we jump into the fun part that is building, I've got to prep the wood. That means cutting it down to size, jointing the edges to make them perfectly flat and square, and then running it through the planer to get a nice, smooth, even thickness. So if you ever wonder how raw lumber turns into beautiful, clean boards ready for a project, then stick around and watch the full process. Trust me, this part is super satisfying. Okay, now that my boards are jointed with one face flat and one edge at 90 degrees, I'm ready to take them to the table saw to rip the opposite edge. So both sides are gonna be straight, parallel, and perfectly square. Come on.